Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to today's video. So love, today we're going to be talking about hairs, our natural hair, how to transfer it from being damaged to healthy, and how to stop hair breakage. Not totally, because you're going to lose hair. It's a fact that you're gonna lose hair. You cannot tell me that you won't be able to lose one strand or two strands of hair. I don't think that's possible. You're gonna lose hair. But I'm going to be sharing how to just minimize the losage of hair. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video with me. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe if you have not, share the video, and guys, let's get started. So besties, what I have noticed right now on my hair is that my hair, don't really like a lot of stress. My hair don't like stress. So if you notice your hair don't like stress, just don't stress your hair. All right, so my routine right now is very, very simple. You guys know we have been doing this challenge of braiding my natural hair without putting extension, and which is a game changer. Like, it's literally a game changer. If you are still using braids on your extension on your hair, sister, and you will have a natural hair and you want to grow a long, beautiful natural hair, sis, just remove braids from your hair. You can still wear braids, by doing wig braid. Just braid your natural hair and let it flourish, because since I have started these mini braids on my hair is doing so amazing. I'm able to retain length each month. Each 2 months I'm able to retain length and grow more length. My hair is more fuller, my hair is more bouncy, my hair is more healthier. Like, I wish I knew. I wish I knew, yes, but seriously, I wish I knew about this earlier on. I know that my hair would have been doing more better than this. So this mini braids, I'm going to be doing this for 1 year. I want to see how long my hair is going to look like. It's already reaching me here. Like, as it's short like this, it's already reaching me here. But if I should stretch it down, shrinkage, because this is where my hair is reaching. If I should stretch it down, so shrinkage in 4C hair, your hair is going to shrink. There's nothing you can do about that. 4C hair, your hair will literally shrink. Yes. So talking about routines. So for routine right now, when I braid my hair, I leave it to sit for that full 1 week. I wash my hair once in a week. That is 4 times in a week. I wash in a month. Sorry, 4 times in a month. I wash my hair. As how I deep condition my hair. I deep condition my hair 2 times in a month, and the remaining 2 times I do normal condition. Then for my oils and my spray, some of my spray, I do some sprays of 2 times. Some spray, I do some spray of daily spray. Like, you can spray cloves and rosemary daily on your hair. It's not going to damage your hair. Yes, clove can make your hair dry, but when you put clove on your hair, always go with condition, leave-in condition, to just trap that moisture of the clove on your hair. Then seal it with oil and butter. Your hair is not going to go dry when you do this kind of routine. Yes, so I put oils and butter on my hair, especially at the ends of my hair. I always use shea butter. I have this shea butter I always use on the ends of my hair. The DIY shea butter is already in the channel. You guys can check it out. So that shea butter has really lasted me for a full year. Yeah, I did that shea butter last year, so I still have it till now. So the shea butter has really helped the ends of my hair in terms of knots. Like, when your hair twists a lot, it gets knots a lot. So, and anytime I moisturize my hair, I packed my hair in 2 and plait it and tuck in my ends, because that end, when you rub cloth or anything, you will see one small knot on your hair. That knot will click off another hair. It will now hook another hair. That's how you have breakage. So when you don't have all these knots on your hair, you don't seem to have breakage, a lot of breakage on your hair. Yes, so if you use extensions, my sister, just stop using extension, because that extension really it damages natural hair. Like if you want to grow your natural hair and let it flourish and let it look good, you need to stop using extension. Since I stopped using extension on my hair has been doing so amazing. Like I am not joking, guys, my hair has been doing so amazing. So those are my tips on how you should moisturize your hair and the rest. So for stopping hair loss, you need to be using a lot of pre-poo, a lot of oil treatment, and try to limit manipulation, like touching your hair. Yes, I am guilty sometimes about touching my hair. Okay, I will not lie to you guys, sometimes I am guilty of touching my hair, but right now I'm on this journey of no hands on my hair, and I am literally loving this. So because initially, if I'm doing a spray on my hair, I spray my hair with my hairspray. You guys know, I literally touch the edge of my hair, my front edges. So there was a day I did this. I tried something. Okay, so I sprayed the front of my hair and I touched it, and I saw my palm. I saw like 2-3 hairs on my palm. I was like, so this is how I'm actually losing my edges, because that place is still sensitive. So I was like, this is how I'm losing my edges. So when I did that, I was like, so this is actually right. I need to stop touching my edges. So since then, I've not touched my edges again. And you guys can see that. You can see that the edges there's not a lot of space that there is bald or it's not growing. You can see that there are small hairs there because I literally stopped touching my edges that much again. Yeah, so I don't touch my edges again. I've not touched my edges again since this challenge. I have not touched my, apart from the time I told you guys I did an experiment and touched my edges. I saw hairs on my hand. That was the last time I touched my edges. I don't touch my edges again, and that's a game changer. Thank you so much, sis, for suggesting this no hands challenge on my edges, because it's literally doing amazing. Yeah, so that's another way to stop breakage, like stop touching your hair a lot. I was guilty about it, but now I know that okay, I need to stop touching my edges. So no more touching my edges. Yeah. So guys, this is another way to stop hair loss. Okay, and actually try drinking lots of water, and also this MSM is an amazing stuff for your hair growth, and doing all this Ayurvedic treatment on your hairspray, rosemary, cloves, fenugreek seed, shea powder is also an amazing spice. Okay, moringa powder, neem powder, and there's a lot of organic ingredients you apply on your hair that will give you a lovely benefits on your hair. The only product I have used on my hair right now is leave-in condition. I think I need to look for how I can make organic leave-in condition. So I'll just stop using brands on my hair, because for my shampoo is DIY black soap. That is the shampoo I use, and my oils are DIY, my butter is DIY, my leave-in spray is DIY. So the only thing that I know that is a product I use is only my leave-in condition. So I need to look for how to make a DIY leave-in condition. If you have any suggestion on how to make DIY condition, just drop it in the comment section. I am here to learn as well. So you teach me, I teach you, and that's it. Nobody knows it all. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video with me. This is just me ranting a lot. Yeah, and Shivi is ranting. I'll see you all in my next video. So stay safe, stay subscribed. More amazing content like this. If you have any question, you can do it to drop it. If you have any suggestion, you can do it to drop it in the channel. I'll do well to input it. Yes, and yeah, I'll see you in the next video. This is my hair. I love the bounciness of the hair, like the hair is bouncing. Okay, that is why you know your hair is healthy. I'll catch you guys later. Bye.